you how to do a ponytail with your beautiful, luscious hair. So basically, first, we're going to take your hair, okay? Mine is already in a ponytail. So we're going to take your hair and you're going to just do that. And then, so you're going to have your hair like this. Mine is very long, so I'm sorry that you probably can't see my face. So we're going to wrap this, and then like do that. And then you're going to twist, and then you're going to put it back. And it should look like that. You could, this is your choice. I recommend not doing this, but you could like tuck it behind your ears. It doesn't really look that good. So yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna fix my hair real quick. I will show you guys in next video how to do a bun. Anyways, bye.